Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope that all of you will be fine. Students, we have already discussed about the square of a number. Today we will discuss about some rules of perfect squares. आज के इस टॉपिक में हम परफेक्ट स्क्वेयर्स के कुछ रूल्स होते हैं उनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. The rule number 1 is the square of an even number is always an even number. कि किसी भी इवन नंबर का स्क्वायर जो है वो हमेशा एक इवन नंबर ही होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स सी 4. If we take its square, it means 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. So the number 4 is an even number, and when we take its square it becomes 16, and 16 is also an even number. So the rule number 1 is the square of an even number is always an even number. We take another example here. 6 is an even number. When we take its square, what will happen? We have already learned that it will get multiplied by itself. When we multiply 6 by 6, we get 36. Here in this example, 6 is an even number, यानी कि 6 एक even number है, and the product of 6 into 6 is 36. Okay, 36 is an even number. Okay, so the rule 1 defines that the square of an even number is always an even number. कि एक even number का square हमेशा एक even number होगा. That is, or we will go for rule number 2 about the perfect squares. Okay, the rule number 2 says the square of an odd number is always an odd number. एक odd number का, एक ताक अदद का स्क्वायर जो है वो हमेशा एक odd number होगा. For example, if I take square of 3, here 3 is an odd number, and I am taking the square of this odd number. Okay, again we will multiply 3 by 3. We will get 9 as a product. Okay. So 3 is also an odd number while 9 is also an odd number. यानी कि 3 भी एक odd number है और इसका स्क्वायर जो कि 9 आया है वो भी एक odd number है. So the rule 2 defines that the square of an odd number will always be an odd number. We take another example. Here 5 is an odd number. We take its square, then 5 multiplied by 5 we get 25. Here 5 is an odd number while the product of 5 into 5 is 25, which is also an odd number. So here we have learned two rules. Rule number 1, the square of an even number is always an even number. And the rule number 2 is the square of an odd number is always an odd number. Students, hope that you will have learned this topic very well. We will discuss the next two rules in the next lecture. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.